Get ready because the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy A55 is almost here. We've got some exciting news. Official support pages for the Galaxy A55 have popped up on Samsung's Portuguese online portal. While they're keeping some details under wraps, we do know that European buyers will have storage options ranging from 128GB to 256GB. Now, while Samsung hasn't given us a release date just yet, recent hints suggest that the Galaxy A55 might hit the shelves in just a few weeks. And with rumors flying around about the improved Exynos 1480 CPU promising better performance compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy A54, the anticipation is building up. Samsung is really stepping up their mid-range game with the Galaxy A55. It's got some impressive features like an in-display fingerprint reader, a 50-megapixels primary back camera, and an upgraded metal frame, making it a strong contender in the mid-range market. Plus, with the integrated 5G modem and AMD RDNA 2-based Xclipse 530 GPU, gaming performance is expected to get a significant boost. While we haven't heard anything about Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 support yet, the Galaxy A55 is expected to come with Android 14 and One UI 6.1 out of the box. But here's the big question. Will it inherit any AI features from the Galaxy S24 series? We'll have to wait and see. So, what do you think about the Galaxy A55? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more updates. Until next time, folks.